Hello, in this video, we will learn how to use Java Scanner class to obtain runtime input from the end user. As a Java beginner, we first use values by assigning it to variables directly, so values are hard-coded in the program. However, in most real-life scenarios, the program is running and the user enters in value at runtime. When variables is initialized during its declaration with defined constant, it is called static initialization. When a variable is initialized at runtime, that is during execution, it is called as dynamic initialization. Java has multiple ways to input and output data. It uses the concept of a stream for input and output. The java.io package contains all the classes required for input and output operations. Let's understand what is a stream. A stream is an abstraction that brings in or sends data. Stream is actually a sequence of data. They are one way, either input or output. Streams are typically connected to a data source or a data destination, like a file, network connection, etc. When we write a Java program, three streams which are included in java.lang are created for us by default. All these streams are attached with the console. They include system.out, which is the standard output stream, system.in, which is the standard input stream, system.error, which is the standard error stream. There are two types of stream in Java, byte and character stream. Byte stream is used for reading or writing raw bytes. Character stream is used for reading or writing text. Byte handles data in bytes, which is 8 bits, while character stream handles data in 16-bit Unicode. With byte stream, you can store characters, videos, audios, images, etc. However, with character stream, you can read and write text data only. Input stream and output stream classes are the superclass of all the input and output byte stream classes. Reader and writer classes are the superclasses of all the character stream classes. Depending upon your requirement, there are multiple classes which are derived from these classes, and various methods are available to read or write data. Java also has Scanner class in java.util package, which is used to break inputs into tokens using a delimiter, which is white space by default. It can be combined with streams, files, string as source to read primitive types such as int, double, and strings. To use the scanner class, we first import java.util package and then create an object of the class. We usually pass the predefined object system.in, which represents the standard input stream. We may pass an object of class file if we want to read input from a file. Now we use any of the available methods found in the scanner class documentation. To read numerical values of a certain data type, example int, the function to use is nextInt. And to read a value of type long, we can use nextLong. Similarly, to read strings, we use nextLine. Scanner also has a method next, which returns string. So what is the difference between next and nextLine? Next can read the input only till the space. It can't read two words separated by space. Also, next places the cursor in the same line after reading the input. Next line reads input including space between the words. That is, it reads till the end of the line and then takes the cursor to the next line. To read a single character, we use next.charAt function. Here, next function returns the next token or word in the input as a string, and charAt function returns the first character in that string. Let's rewrite the programs we wrote earlier to calculate the compound interest using this formula. But this time, we will take an input from the user. We will import the java.util package along with math and then create an object of scanner class. Then we will ask the user to input the principal amount, rate of interest, and number of years. Our expression for calculation and printing remains the same as last time. It is always a good practice to prompt the user before calling the next input function so the user is aware what kind of data to input. So before each input, we will write a println statement. Now when we run this program, you will see we will be prompted for what input is required and then the desired result is displayed. Go through different programs that are provided which shows how to use scanner class before you move to the next topic.